sardines. I don't know how people they have taste for it, but I never liked it. Okay, so what I'm going to take it, what I have to get. There's poha. I was in Maharashtra for 6 years approximately, first for 4 years, then for again 2 years, so I'm kind of in love with poha, so you can get it here. Marathi poha is one of the best things. Yeah, here you go. I wanted this kala chana. It's very healthy, huh? What else? I wanted the yellow split beans. No. I'm just looking for the chana dal, if they have a small packet for it. The thing is, it's quite big one, but that's okay. I can take it. So you can get canned jalapenos. There are serranos, all for Mexican food. Yeah, the beans again, the tequila. So these are the sauces that you can use for making the Mexican food. Yeah, salsa, chipotle. Yay! Here you go, guacamole. Hey, what are these? These are tapioca pearls, the big ones and the small ones. And here I think these are garlic, or I have no idea what these are. They look like the corn or the big corn kernels or something like that, but no idea exactly what they are. So you can get the desiccated coconuts. So here what we have the shrimps, frozen shrimps. These are big. The small ones, these are very small ones. Yeah. This is, I don't know whether they have alcohol in them or not, but I think they are some kind of fruit drinks. The white grape and peach. It's a red grape drink. Here you can get mayonnaise. This is one of the thing that brings a smile to your face, the Parle-G. Yeah. Coconut milk. I don't know if you have seen this, but these are like black corn. They have black colored corn kernels. It's great. All crackers and honey. Let's see what is here. So some kind of tropical mix for it. Comes from Colombia, huh? I have no idea what this is. Seems exotic. ठीक है. Fanta चाहिए. Fanta. I'll share a joke with you guys. बचपन में मम्मी को बोलो ना फेंटा पीना है, तो हाँ फेंटा चाहिए, इधर थप्पड़ पड़ता, फेंटा चाहिए, ये रहा फेंटा. So again, there is caramel. If you condensed milk, I think I'm going to take it so that I can make kulfi out of it. Yeah, I'm going to take one. So there is potato starch here. Again, some powders that I have no idea what they are. Okay, this is done from this side. Okay, you can get bears also here. Guinness, yeah. I know a few, but who doesn't like these, huh? The lollipops. किसको नहीं पसंद? I'm going to the other side. Just go and see some vegetables right now. There are some drinks. I think it's the aloe vera or aloe vera. Hey, there are mangoes here. Amrood. Chicky. Peanut chicky. Okay, now the sabzi section. So we have करेला यहाँ पे, भिंडी है, बैंगन है. I think this is तुरई. Purple बैंगन भी है, green बैंगन भी है. Then केले भी हैं, लौकी है, इमली है. I think this is bok choy. I'm not sure. पालक है, बट पालक ये वाली बीन्स हैं, पापड़ी आई थिंक इनको बोलते हैं. एंड देन वी हैव, आई डोंट नो व्हाट दिस इज. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक सम वेजिटेबल्स आल्सो. Okay, so here I'm going to take some. Oh, कद्दू नहीं है यहाँ पे, right? So what I'll do is I'll take some bindi. भिंडी किसको नहीं पसंद? जब वो क्रिस्पी क्रंची हो जाती है तो यू जस्ट लव इट विद रोटी. मुझे भिंडी चावल के साथ भी पसंद है. आई कैन जस्ट ईट भिंडी एंड चावल. ओके, दिस इज डन. नाउ लेट्स टेक समथिंग एल्स. Hey, if you want mithai, I just saw it. There's a gulab jamun. I think this is some mixed sweets. There is gulab jamun, rasgulla. I think it's kesar barfi and laddu. मैं थोड़ा परहेज कर रही हूँ मिठाई से. I don't like meetha as much as my husband does, but so this is the drumstick. I think I'll make sambar out of it, or we'll just make some sabzi. Yeah, there you go. And take one lौकी. हमारे कश्मीर में we actually use this kind of बैंगन to make टमाटर बैंगन वाली सब्ज़ी. I love that. And in South India at my in-laws, we usually use this kind of bangan or this kind of bangan, gol gol wala, to make bangan ki sabzi or to put in the sambar. They have prunes also. Khajur, I think, yeah, khajur. Okay. I think I'm done here. Again, the frozen stuff. There are frozen vegetables, I think. There is cut mango, churros. If you like squash, you can use it in place of कद्दू की जगह यूज़ कर सकते हो इसको, या पम्पकिन की जगह. सो यहाँ चपाती है, परोठा है, द केरला पराठा. अगेन इडियप्पम है जो फ्रोज़न है. And Maggie. But I think ये Maggie नहीं है. This is some, oh, there it's Maggie, but this is the same color, but ये शायद different brand है. Indomie. I think I'm gonna take one or two because my daughter loves them. Maggie. सेम नहीं उठाया है मैंने, अलग अलग उठाया है. यहाँ पे कद्दू है. The noodles, again noodles, the pasta. Kappa soup, kappa noodles, whatever. Again the noodles. Brown rice vermicelli. हमारे लिए सेवियाँ. What else? Oh, if you like to snack on, then these are the things like केले के पापड़ and plantain chips जिसको बोलते हैं, चटपटा दाल, and again the mangoes. आलू भुजिया. Things. So these are, I think, the
video making is for bottom.
I asked already. The person sitting there, I already asked him.
Okay, I don't know because the chef have told me that no one should make a photo or video.
Okay, so यहाँ पे शायद ये flavor stuff है. The lemon is there, the brandy flavor, coconut flavor, and mixtures. The Kerala mixture is there. Moong dal, haldirams, and here you can get the sauces. There is seafood sauce. There is chili paste. There is kurkure. Again the sauces, the chicken sauce, black pepper sauce, yeah, the soya sauce. So in short, you can get everything that you can use in Indian cooking, in African cooking, and Mexican, I think. Yeah, probably. And almost they have covered everything for these 3 to 4 particular cuisines. They have covered everything in their store. So yeah, if you are here in Vienna and you want to come, just come and explore this place. It's quite good and you might get everything that you want. So last I'm going to get the rice and then I'm going to go out of the door. Yeah, so till then, auf Wiedersehen. Bye bye.